Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Nifty Forecast and my name is Lokesh. We just discussed yesterday that shorts have been added and we were very clear with the trade plan that we were looking for a short side of the trade, and look what has happened. We are looking at the Nifty intraday chart and Bank Nifty intraday chart 3 minutes. Although Bank Nifty did not really come down so much, Nifty has potentially come down. But nevertheless, if we had to look at the numbers from the high to the low it has made, it is a minimum of 100 points here, and I guess it is close to 300 points here as well. Close to 1% or 0.9% on both the indices. I'm sure that's a decent bet. But what has happened in this volatility? Let's look at the data. We are looking at the bhavcopy, and we get to understand that open interest is lost in Bank Nifty, and a significant number of open interest has been created in Nifty. Right, let's look at the participant-wise intraday activity, and we get to learn that a significant longs are added. Maybe the pullback whatever we have witnessed in the market today, this particular pullback in the post lunch session, the second session, afternoon session, I think this was captured by the major market participants to add the longs. That is what we get to understand here from the intraday activity. And tomorrow it is our responsibility to look at the long side of the trade. Not just tomorrow, but we have been focused on the bullish side on a long term. But yeah, small little retracements and pullbacks are always there to ensure we maximize our profits. Right? I hope you all are with me. In case you are liking the content of this channel, please hit the subscribe button, share it among your traders friends. Right? So let's look at the OI. Participant wise OI on a positional view, we definitely don't change our mind that we have a bullish view on a long term, right? So please watch out for long side of the trade. But let me also take you through the data that I print in my Excel tool. It says the open interest, whatever open interest has been created in the OTM calls inputs is lost. They have already booked. So what does the data tell us? It says there has been a lot of longs added in the market, right, in the intraday by major market participants. Now that they have well established systems, they have money to drive the market in their direction, I'm sure we should definitely look for something in this particular direction. But in the meanwhile, if I had to tell you one pointer, if the market has to readily continue the direction whatever has been traded today, the change in the open interest, the open interest created in the put side, put writings would have been left over like that. If the market continues the same direction, whatever has been done today. Now that we see whatever puts are written are still not existing. They have booked their profits in the end of the day session. That means that direction, the momentum will directly not continue. It might as well retrace. It might as well come down, pull back, and then go ahead in that direction. So for that, you need to take a very fresh view. The long term bet is definitely on the bullish side, but please take care of this. Okay, the market might definitely not go in the bullish direction starting from the day first minute. Right. So yeah, yesterday in my video I mentioned that I will take you through the calls that we have discussed in the last week, where we discussed about SBI and put short, ICICI Bank put short, Reliance call short. Please double check before disliking the video. I asked you very clearly that the trade time will be 7 days to 10 days, 1 week to 10 days. And And by now, I think we have completed 10 days and we have easily returned 2% in each of the column, each of the call that we mentioned in our video. Right, it is evident. You can go back to my video, you can go back to the trading terminal, check what has happened, did we get the 2% or not. And this is how you should accumulate wealth. I mean, 2% over a week's time is definitely a very good money, right? I hope you all are with me on this. We have 52 weeks altogether in a calendar year, and if you are able to do a 2% in 52 weeks, what is the amount, right? And in addition to this, we pledge our capital somewhere, that we all know. There also we might as well get 15%. And that is how we need to look at the compound interest, right? That is how we need to look at wealth creation, right? If I had to discuss a little on few of the stocks, I think something that I would want to stay focused is Tata Motors. Tata Motors, it has fallen down 8%. That's a commendable number for Tata Motors. So, maybe the stock would directly not move down, but it might as well pull back to a higher level and then probably do a sideways or downside. But for you to gain 2% profit, I'm sure you should look for a retracement. I mean, look for Tata Motors to trade a little higher, and then you will be shorting a far OTM call. Not immediately when the market opens tomorrow. All right. So, Tata Motors is definitely a key takeaway. And what else? I think that is about it at the moment. HDFC is definitely showing strength on the bull side. Right, friends, that's about the content for now. Please share the channel information among your traders, friend, and please subscribe to the channel for never missing the updates on the next